In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use filter in Revit Architecture. Now let's get into my computer. You see these walls, I want to select only the walls, but there are so many things here. So what I will do is a question of selecting everything. This is going to make my work to be fast. I'll just select everything. Then I will go to filter on the top right corner, click on it. These are all the things that are currently selected. So I am going to use filter to filter out some things away from the selection. It is only the wall I want to select. So I will click on check none. Then I will now select only the walls and click OK. Now you see currently it is only the walls that are selected. What I want to do with the wall is I want to modify their base constraint. So I'm going to go to the property palette and go to base constraints and select the level I want the base to be constrained to, which is first floor. So I will select first floor and click apply. Okay, now some of the walls still have base offset. So I'm going to go to base offset and type 0 and click apply. And that is it. So that is how you can use filter in Revit Architecture. I hope you have learned something from this video today. If you want to gain access to my complete Revit tutorial masterclass, all you need to do is to tap on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to where you can gain access. See you there. Bye.